Epidemic. That's the word the Centers for Disease Control is now using to describe this flu season, now blamed for the deaths of 15 children in the U.S. Caroline Tucker joins us now with a look at how the virus is impacting this area. Caroline, what have you learned?
Well, Leanne, after 48 hours, Tamiflu doesn't really work. However, if you are feeling any flu symptoms described, you must see a doctor. Now, this flu is widespread in Maryland and Virginia, and D.C. too is seeing a large number of cases. Local doctors say this is worse than Ebola because of how the illness is spread. Charlotte White is getting ready for a trip down under. She can check a flu shot off her packing list.
And I'll be exposed to so many different people. I really don't want to increase my risk of getting the flu, so I felt the flu shot would help.
The flu has been spreading fast across the U.S. The CDC calling it an epidemic. Most states seeing the illness widespread, including here in Maryland and Virginia.
But the last 1 to 2 weeks, our numbers have doubled and tripled.
Dr. Daniel Jean says anywhere from 4 to 10 patients a day have tested positive for the flu at Mid-Atlantic Urgent Care in Arlington.
What you're looking for, patients, symptoms come on suddenly. They present with fever, chills, coughing, aches.
These flu swab tests,
so if anyone tests positive, you should see 2 lines.
Have been in high demand.
Actually, before you leave the office, you'll know if you have the flu or not.
D.C. has a localized outbreak, but D.C.-based Dr. Linda Yao is concerned.
If you compare it to the Ebola craze that we just went through in October, influenza is much more serious because it's much more widespread and it's spread in a respiratory manner.
The CDC says most people have gotten a strain of the flu not protected by the flu shot, but doctors say you should still get it.
The cases of flu where people have gotten the flu shot is attenuated, so people feel better and they're not as sick as long.
The first 48 hours are critical. Patients can receive Tamiflu to treat it. At least one local hospital, Inova Loudoun, has changed its visitation policy because of the flu. They're restricting visitation hours and not allowing anyone under the age of 16 or anyone with flu-like symptoms. However, the hospital is not reporting any recent deaths as a result of the flu. Caroline Tucker, ABC 7 News.
All right, Caroline, thank you.